I realized it's actually been a minute since I've unboxed this on camera for you guys, but we have an Ipsy bag right here. I think like an Ipsy or Boxycharm box and a Chic beauty box. You guys want to see what all three of these boxes have? Are they actually worth it? Then definitely keep watching. Ooh, I did it again. I kept it spicy. I changed my intro. And I keep making it obvious that I do that. You guys already know. But anyways, I have an Ipsy bag, a possibly Ipsy / Boxycharm box, and a Chic beauty box sitting in front of me. And it's been a minute since I've actually unboxed these on my channel. Last month I did an Ipsy like short where it was like an Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and like a Boxycharm, the icon box, whatever the situation is. I unboxed it on my YouTube short and it was a phenomenal box. I was like, damn, the one time that Ipsy gave a fantastic box, I did a short and not a YouTube video. But here we are today. We're going to be unboxing all three. I don't know what we have in here. I don't really know too much anymore about Boxycharm and Ipsy. I do know they combined into one to make it kind of like an icon box, where I'm going to get both because I was on both PR lists. Now they're kind of combined into one, but we're going to open them up, see if they're worth it. But before we do, we're going to dive straight on into the Chic beauty box. Now this is a bi-monthly subscription box where it retails for $39.99. But if you guys use my code, you guys can save 10% off. And what I do like about this is that you don't have to sign up for this box if you don't want to. You could just buy the box that you really want, or you can subscribe to it. It's just completely up to you. I kind of like it how they give you the option of just buying that month's box or subscribing. It's completely up to you. So let's go ahead and open this up. So let's see what we got this month. So this is what we have, is the May and June box. And I really like is that they actually gave me a price of the stuff in here, and normally they give you like variation. This time there's no variation here, but we're excited to see what we got. So the first thing I see is an Ofra highlighter. What? We have Ofra Cosmetics in here, and this is going to be the X's and Glows highlighter. Now I already have this highlighter. It does retail for $35. It's a beautiful, beautiful highlight. I'll show you guys what it looks like. This is the highlighter right here. Super, super beautiful. Really do enjoy this. So I'm happy to pass this along to you guys because I already have this one. But it's actually really cool to see this in here. Next, we have a Suva Beauty. This is a Hydra Fix highlighter, Hydra Liner Doodle. It retails for $16. This is how it looks right here. Like a nice like little pink orange moment. Next, we have a Beauty for Certain. This is a matte liquid lipstick. It retails for $22, and it's going to look like so. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand before, but they did throw in a matte liquid lip in here. Next, we have a Suvia 620 liner brush. It retails for $13. That is such a tiny brush, but obviously it will probably go with those liquid liners. And last but not least, they threw in a Cab Cosmetics. This is the Day and Night palette. It retails for $52, and this is how the palette looks right here. So it's supposed to be like a day to night palette from a Cab Cosmetics. Now I'm not gonna lie, I don't like this box. I feel so bad saying that. I don't like this box, and the reason why I've always loved Chic Beauty Box is that they were notorious for putting a lot of high-end brands in here along with drugstore brands, but every single brand they put in here was a really well-established brand that everybody knew and loved. And so they're starting to branch out a little bit, which is great for the brand, but their only product that I really know and love is Ofra Cosmetics. Suvia Beauty, I remember seeing it inside Morphe, but I've never tried it itself. I remember seeing Cab because of Ipsy. I just really don't want Chic Beauty Box to become one of those brands that starts to become like Ipsy and Boxycharm, where they put brands that we'd never heard of or see in the boxes. I really hope they stick back to doing like their drugstore and their high end, because that's why I loved the box for so many years. So this is definitely a very, very underwhelming box. It says the retail value is $138. So if you guys do want to get it, it is available for you guys. But I don't think it was a good box. And I think this is the first time I've ever said that about Chic Beauty Box, but I'm sorry. I have to be honest. So moving next, we have an Ipsy bag right here. So this has to be the $13 Ipsy bag. At least I think it's $13. I don't know what it is now. And ooh, this is unique. This is like really squishy. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I really have enjoyed my Ipsy Glam bags. I love the little minis they put in here because they put like well-known brands, and it kind of reminds me of the Play by Sephora box that I just know, love, and miss. But let's see. First thing we have in here is from, who are you from? Formula? I don't know what this is. It looks to be like an eyeliner for two-sided eyeliner, but I don't know the brand formula. I just talked about you putting name brands in here and I don't know what you are. Okay, so there's this. Next, there is a Marc Anthony Repair Bond and Resculpt. This is a repair and protect leave-in treatment for dry, damaged hair. Okay, cool. I didn't know that Marc Anthony did hair care products. I remember Marc Anthony did like perfume and stuff for like cologne, but I didn't know they had hair care products. Interesting. Next, there is a Hoola bronzer from Benefit, but this feels empty. It's a little mini. It's a little mini. Oh, it's so cute. It's a little itty bitty. Oh my gosh, that's actually super freaking cute. Oh my gosh. That's adorable. Okay, so we have that. And then we have something from Ciate London. This is an everyday vacay coconut lip oil treatment right here. Again, super cute, super tiny. And then they also threw in an Estate. This is called Blast Off. This is a highlighter. And this is how the product looks. It's like the ColourPop Super Shock Shadows, don't they? It's a really, 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 really pretty color. So that is everything that we got in our Ipsy Glam bag. We got a little Estate highlighter moment, some liner duo, some hair repair, this cute little Hoola bronzer, and a Ciate coconut moment with this cute little bag. Alrighty, up next, I think this is like a Boxycharm situation, I think. So up next, let's see. The first thing I see in here, we have something from Beauty Bakery. This is Lemon Bar. This is a face palette right here. Oh, nice. So it's going to look like so. You're going to have a, looks like 2 different type of bronzers and a highlighter. It smells actually pretty good. So here is what we're going to find in this box right here. Next, there is a Trace Luce Beauty. This is Empower Me. This is a matte liquid lipstick bullet. It looks to be in the shade called Nudie Pink right here. This is how the lipstick looks right here. Next, there is this Farrah brush set right here. Oh, my dog just moved the camera, sorry. There's this Farrah brush set right here that's always in these boxes. Then there is a Neogen product in here. This is a Real Beccachulo Firming Serum. I've never heard of this brand before, but they threw this in here. And then last but not least, there is an Elemis. This is the Pro Collagen Advanced Eye Treatment. And I really, really, really do love Elemis. So this is something I'd be eager to try out. But that is everything we got in this box. We have an Elemis. We have a brand I haven't heard of, some facial serum, Farrah brushes, a lipstick, and a Beauty Bakery bar. That is what we got in this box. That is everything we got in our Ipsy. And then we have the Chic Beauty box right here. And y'all, I'm not gonna lie, if I paid for any of these boxes, I'd be so disappointed. One, we barely got, the most one that had makeup is the Chic Beauty box, but like Ipsy barely gave us any makeup whatsoever. The Boxycharm portion of it is just shitty, and it's really disappointing because last month was so good, and I didn't film it. I filmed it short, but this month is so shitty, and I don't think it's worth it. I don't think this month was good in the slightest for any of the boxes. And I'm so sorry. At the end of the day, guys, I'm very grateful these brands still send me these boxes, but I will always be completely honest with you guys because I'm still a consumer first over like a content creator, influencer, like anything. I'm a consumer first, and if I paid for these boxes, I'd be really disappointed. So let me know what you guys think about these boxes down below. Do you guys still even get these boxes? Like, let me know. But yeah, that is it for our video. Super quick unboxing for you guys today, but I just wanted to pop in and do an unboxing because I thought we were gonna have good products, and well, we didn't. So yeah, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 4 to 5 videos every single week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's Art for Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband Corey, and as always, the biggest thank you goes to these beautiful, wonderful Patreon members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything, and to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe, either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you. I'll see you guys in my very next video.